皆さん、こんにちは。尾形です。今日も一緒に漢字を勉強しましょう。Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn 4 kanjis. Let's start. では始めましょう。最初の漢字です。Okay, let's have a look at stroke. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. So this is the second stroke, okay? And then this is actually me, right? Eyes, me, okay? Eyes. Then katakana, ru, sort of. Make a brush stroke here, okay? The meaning of it is see, look, hope, and opinion. Bushu is see itself. Kunyomi is miru and miseru. So ru and seru are okurigana. Have a look at this. Miru is to look, okay? And then mieru is to see. For example, you can add adverb plus mieru. For example, あなたのシャツは可愛く見えます。Your shirt looks cute. あなたのシャツは可愛く見えます。In this case, 可愛く is an adverb. So adverb plus 見える. Okay? The third one is 見せる. 見せる is to show. So the direct object will follow. Something を見せます。Something を見せます。The next example is お月見. O is an honorific prefix in Japanese. So you can say 月見, moon viewing. So this one is moon viewing. 今年の moon viewing お月見は9月の21日ですね。9月の21日です。This year's moon viewing is September 21st. The last example is 見学. 学, which we've learned before, is to learn or to study, right? So 見学 means the study by observation. For example, 工場見学 means the factory tour or factory observation. 工場見学。では次に行きましょう。ちょっと長いですね。行きましょう。1、2、3、4、okay? 5、ここは6ですね。6、長いですね。6、brush stroke here. 7、8。Okay, so this kanji itself is gate, 門。Okay, this kanji itself is gate, 門。Plus, you need to write 耳. 耳 is ear here, right? Bushu is ear. So you just write 耳. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? 耳. So the meaning of it is listen, hear, and ask. Bushu, as I mentioned, is ear. 耳. 耳. Okay, 耳. Kunyomi is 聞く. So 聞く to listen or to ask. For example, 私は道を聞きます. I'm going to ask directions. 私は道を聞きます. I'm going to ask directions. 聞こえる is to hear. 聞こえる is to hear. For example, if you have a video conference and you can say, 聞こえますか? Can you hear me? 聞こえますか? Okay. The next one, 新聞. So 新 means 新しい, right? This kanji has a few readings. One is 新しい and another is 新. So in this case, 新聞, which means new and listen. So newspaper, 新聞. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, この漢字も難しいですね。1、2、3、4、5、6、7. This kanji itself is you. You means say. E plus u. Okay. U is okurigana. 言う is say. Plus, this kanji is uru, which means to sell. Uru. We've learned this before. Okay, so altogether 14 strokes. And do not forget to make a brush stroke here. Okay, the meaning of it is to read. Bush is gonben, speech. So the name of the radical is gonben, gonben. Kunyomi is yomu. Look at this. Yomu is to read. Yomikata. Kata, which we did it before, is way, right? So yomikata is the way to read or reading. And onyomi is doku or toku. Okay, doku or toku. So dokusho. Sho, this kanji is to write, actually, to write. Kaku. But in this case, dokusho is reading, reading. So you can say, 私の趣味は読書です。趣味 is hobby. 私の趣味は読書です。My hobby is reading. Okay? では次に行きましょう。Okay, this kanji is really difficult to balance. 1, 2, you have to penetrate this, right? 3, so far so good. And then 4, 5, and then from here, top to down, okay? The last one is day. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this part is day, right? Here, day, he, or sun, you can say sun, right? The meaning of it is to write, as I mentioned in the previous slide. Kunyomi is kaku, kaki, or gaki. Okay? Kaku is to write. Hagaki is postcard. Ha itself means leaf. Oh, sorry for my terrible writing. Leaf is ha. Onyomi is sho. Have a look at this example. Shoten is bookstore or bookseller. We did learn this kanji, right? Mise or ten, which is store. Okay? Shoten is a bookstore. Shodo is a calligraphy. Actually, I mentioned a lot of times calligraphy, shodo, in this kanji series. Shodo. Toshokan is a library. This kanji is a little bit hard, kan, and also this kanji. So you can learn these kanjis at a later stage. Okay? では、最後に一緒に練習しましょう。リピートしてくださいね。見る。月見。意見 which is opinion 見学聞く聞こえる新聞読む読み方読書書くはがき書店書道図書館OK。それではお疲れ様でした。何か質問がありましたらいつでも言ってくださいね。If you have any questions, let me know anytime. ではまた次回お会いしましょう。おがチャンネルでした。失礼します。またね。